Once finished in the machining area, extrusions and other parts are then transported to the ALW Paint Shop, our state-of-the-art powder coating facility. Keeping the painting process in-house allows us to quickly switch between our 17 standard powder coat finishes as well as other custom colors. All this while maintaining complete quality control. Once the powder coat is applied, the products are brought into one of our large ovens where the finish is cured at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. A new addition to our product portfolio is our Harmonic collection of acoustic solutions. This is made possible with our new acoustic cutting machine. We are able to cut our premium PET panels to size with beveled edges and mitered corners. This enables you to create custom-designed acoustic cutouts with creative shapes, logos, and text. Start your custom design today at alwusa.com.